so confused.
A few moments later.
We're here at IKEA and we're going to get some food to eat first before we start our little shopping journey. Today I want kimchi bokkeumbap and I also want veggie bowl. What? What are you saying? 왜 갑자기? 왜?
Because I don't know what to say to people who move in.
새해 복 많이
The
받으세요.
start of a new life.
Is that what you say?
I don't know.
Can we have the gooey chocolate cake, please? Welcome to IKEA Korea, bro. My favorite.
시원해.
We ate and now we're going to do some shopping for my place. I actually don't know what I want. I also don't know what I like, but as you guys saw,
Like the blue?
I don't like blue. I like light. But then I know nothing about housing and I have no aesthetics, so
This carpet is freaking huge, right? You can put it upstairs. The loft area.
I think this is too big for the upstairs. Is it?
Oh yeah.
It's too big.
Yeah, never mind. Carry on.
The problem about me is that I don't know what I want my place to look like. That's a bit. Maybe this one? This is kind of cute, right? This is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. Kind of ish. I really don't like doing this. I just want to pay someone to just do my house.
I mean, this is like very like simple. You don't like the color.
Nah, I don't.
Here's things that you can think of that don't require space. Things like carpets, things like mirrors, things like bathroom stuff. Like get all those essentials that you like.
Yeah.
And then the space-saving stuff,
Yeah.
the big stuff. That's when we really have to consider the space.
Okay. Shit. Ah, shit. I wanna go home.
You like that? No.
Like, where would I put? What would I put in there?
Your like decorative things. So if you like this color, okay, ignore all the contents in there, but you can put frames, you can put, you know, things to make it look nice.
If they had this in white, then
Quite honestly, something like this would match the whole tone of your apartment. But you don't like to work on these things.
no, I think it's fine. It's just like
This whole house matches your house.
that's true.
50-50. Yes.
So this is the other option of table. I think it's too big, but Leonard said it fits my house. Let me take pictures. This is what you do when you go to IKEA, kids. IKEA, whatever you call it. You take pictures of it. You take a picture of the tag, and then you save it. I know, freaking adult things. I still don't get it too, but that's an option. Maybe that'll be my table. Because I need a space to 1, edit, 2, draw pictures, 3, as you guys all know, I like to make things with my hands. So this size might be perfect because I will be doing a lot of things on this table, like art-wise and craft-wise, because that's what I love to do.
That's why.
That's too comfy. Oh. No. Eh.
이케아 직원에게 문의하시기 바랍니다. 본 서비스는 재고가
I've lied down on every single mattress they have.
We can do it
And
for you
everything you like.
starting at just 49,000 won.
Maybe this one.
Speak to an IKEA.
Oh man. I want to be an adult. So hard. Maybe that can be my bed. How about this table? What do you guys think? I can edit here.
1 foot, another 1 foot, the norm.
This should fit up on the, second floor, right?
Huh?
Yeah, correct.
For your bed?
Maybe I put this upstairs and then, and
Yeah.
we can fit 4 people.
And then the bed.
And then maybe or that. Is it frustrating?
Yeah, you're very frustrating.
I don't know what I really want yet. I've never done this before.
That's why I'm helping you.
You even need it? I don't want to be here anymore. So today, we got nothing at all.
You got some things.
Got
Kitchen stuff.
kitchen stuff that I don't even need right now. But I already got it. The rest, I'll come back next time, decide what I really want, order it. So it's a stressful day. I got these adult things, but these girls got these ones.
I'm lonely.
I feel you. I was
I'm
once
single.
there before. I was once there. But I am still there, but man, that was a very stressful day. I don't want to do this ever again. I think I should next time plan what I really want and then come here because it's like an hour drive from Seoul. So bad, but like I really don't know what I want yet. I just moved in today. It's my first space ever by myself. When you start having furniture, like big objects, big furniture inside the house, it's different. Also cannot buy accessories to accessorize the house yet because I don't know what big furniture I'm going to have. So yeah. Anyways, keep you guys updated. Bye.